is right here, and the other ones are down here. We're gonna open day number 4 on the tablet calendar. Oh my gosh!
What is it?
This thing is huge. The Hello Kitty waffle.
Waffles?
You know how I know that? It's Hello Kitty. I watch squishy videos. Wait.
Hey guys, we're here at the doctor's. We just finished my appointment. Look at this tree. Whoa. Daddy went to go get the car, so we don't have to walk as far. See, little miss. Little miss. Oh, she scratched herself. She's right between the eyes. I gotta cut her nails or put them gloves on her. Is that your squatchy? You gotta fix your collar. We gotta watch her dad. Okay guys, so this is real life. Journey had a poop explosion. Well, actually she pooped right before we went into the appointment while we were sitting there, and so she fell asleep. So during my appointment we just let her sleep in the car seat, and so then we said we'll change her when we get to the car. Then we went and got some Chick-fil-A, and we said we'll change her when we get to the Hobby Lobby parking lot. That's where we are. As I pulled her out, she was kind of cockeyed in her sleep, so kind of like shifted. So all of the poop ran to one side of her diaper, out her diaper, on her onesie, and on her pants. And so we had poop everywhere. We had poop everywhere. So, but going into my appointment, because she only nursed on one side this morning, my other side got too full and I didn't put a breast pad on, and I leaked all over my shirt and my bra. And are you okay? Are you still hungry? Are you still hungry? You want to see that girl? Look, look. Do you see that girl? Is she pretty? She scratched between her eyes. I don't know if you guys can see. Between her eyes and then on her cheek right here. So we're gonna have to get out our gloves. I would cut her nails, but honestly, I'm kind of afraid to. They don't even look that long. They don't even look that long. So then when I changed her, which we used the little diaper changing thing again, which is absolutely the handiest thing ever. Thank you, Pebble. So when we were doing that, we finally got her changed. We did have an outfit in the diaper bag this time. Yeah, we did. You see yourself. You just looked at yourself and smiled. You see that baby? Look at that baby. Yeah, she's pretty cute, huh? Do you see that cute baby? She's totally looking at herself. Yes, look at that baby. Oh my goodness. Cute baby, huh? Can you talk to her? Talk to that baby? She's like, no, I'm gonna get mad now. So anyway, so then we get her changed. I'm like, her butt's wet. Why is her butt wet now? Well, when I was putting the diaper on, are you laughing? When I put her diaper on, she peed and it leaked before I even got it done up. So I'm just like a poopy, milky, pee mess, and so I'm like, let's just go home. But I had to return those things at Hobby Lobby that I got to make her handprint ornament, because they're just plaster of Paris, and I didn't want plaster of Paris, and I should have read it before I even got it, because we got a whole box of plaster of Paris at home. But that's not what I want to use for her handprint. I want to use the one that has the polymer clay, because you know plaster of Paris gets warm when it sets up, so I don't want to use that. So I found some on Amazon that we're gonna order, a little handprint ornament kit. Yeah, and it's clay. And we can make your imprint out of... Guys, for her being so fussy all the time and having tummy issues, she's just like the smiliest baby. Like, you just talk to her and she gets all happy and smiley. Let's see if we can show them. Hey, hey, what are you doing, huh? Are you okay? Are you talking to Mama? Are you upset? Are you upset?
Hello.
Are you upset? Hey guys.
I like your shirt.
Did you?
Yeah, she said, is something wrong with them? I said, yeah, they didn't taste good.
She believes you?
I didn't say that.
What are you doing? Feeding?
Reading her bottle.
If she's done, pull it out.
I
You
don't
gotta
know.
listen to her. You're the one that said you want to take care of her for an hour. What'd she do?
Poop. I changed.
You changed your first poopy diaper. Okay, ready? Okay, turn around. Here.
Ooh. Oh. These are slots.
Yeah. The Christmas slots. I figured you needed to wear it now since it's Christmas.
Yeah. Is it an outfit?
Yeah.
Oh, they're so cute.
You gotta turn it around so I can see it.
Thank you. Thank you.
Mm-hmm. You showing sister? Oh, she's looking. I'll put you guys right here. Don't mind this. I took a nap.
That's the last thing.
So,
Thank you, Mom.
you're welcome, baby. My son, Evan, I think he has either stomach bug or food poisoning. We're not sure what it is. But he went to work this morning not feeling well, and he come home early. He's been throwing up, and so now my oldest son Nathan is going to take him to the doctor. They close at 8 o'clock and it's 5:40, and I did the check-in online, and so they're supposed to text 40 minutes before he's supposed to be there. So right now that's what we're waiting for. So that's what's going on. And it's Grandma's birthday, and we bought cupcakes to take down there. So when my husband gets home, we're supposed to go down there, and I was going to make some chili, and she's very needy right now. Yeah, and I wanted to embroider out 2 shirts and make 2 tutus, which I guess I'm going to have to do later, because me and her, we did take a little nap this afternoon. Oh, and that's another thing about my doctor's appointment. You're going to let me talk? But at my doctor's appointment, my blood pressure was high, so they prescribed me some medicine, but I should pull my hair.
Ooh, vanilla.
I ain't got no bowls, you have to put it in a plate.
No.
Put it in a cup.
You gonna say happy birthday to Grandma? Huh? Are you gonna say happy birthday to Grandma?
Ready? Are you ready, guys?
Put your hand down, I'll give you some ice cream. You want some ice cream?
We have to sing happy birthday first.
Oh, this your birthday. You got a big bite of ice cream. How about this cupcake, too?
You say you want some cupcake too?
Ain't it good?
On the count. Wait.
Mm.
Okay, now.
Did that work?
Did that help? Did the cha-cha help?
Did that help you? Did that help you any?
Let's do cha-cha-cha-cha-cha-cha again. Ready? 1, 2, 3. Come on. Now, I'll be the leader this time. Ready? You don't have to hold. Cha-cha-cha-cha-cha-cha. Cha-cha-cha-cha-cha-cha. Cha-cha-cha-cha-cha-cha.
You wanna watch the cha-cha?
Ready?
Let's watch the cha-cha.
Cha-cha-cha-cha-cha-cha. Cha-cha-cha-cha-cha-cha. Cha-cha-cha-cha-cha-cha.
I can't keep up with the cha-cha. Step 1. Step 2.
Now, step 3. Okay, ready? Follow me.